Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today nama Volkswagen Vento Auto Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pathe Pakalam. Engine type Pathing and a TSI petrol engine. Engine displacement 999 cubic centimeters. Fuel type Pathing and a petrol. Max power output Pathing and around 108.62 bhp at 5000-5500 rpm. Max torque 175 Nm at 1750-4000 rpm. Emission norm BS6. No of cylinders 3. Transmission manual and automatic kuda Thurakanga. Gearbox 6 speed. Drive type FWD. Paddle shift not available in Vento. Curb weight 1134 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Pathe Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 17.69 kmpl 0 to 100 kmph 12.3 seconds. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathe Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut with stabilizer bar. Suspension rear semi-independent trailing arm brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type electronic. Minimum turning radius 5.2 meters. Tire size 185/60 R15. Alloy wheel size R15. Tire type tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pathe Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 4. Boot space 494 liters. Fuel capacity 55 liters. Finally variants and price tag Pathe Pakalam. 1.0 TSI Comfort Line variant Pathing and around 9.99 rupees lakh. 1.0 TSI Highline variant Pathing and around 9.99 rupees lakh. 1.0 TSI Highline Plus variant Pathing and around 12.52 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.